Piece of pie. Understanding the idiomatic expression. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, piece of pie. By the end of this video, you'll understand not just what it means, but also how to use it in conversation. The phrase, piece of pie, is actually a common variation of the more widely used idiom, piece of cake. While both phrases can be used interchangeably, they essentially mean that something is very easy to do. Just like it's easy to eat a piece of pie or cake, tasks that are simple and require little effort are described using this expression. Though its origins are a bit cloudy, the idiom, piece of cake, has been traced back to the 20th century, and piece of pie followed as a playful variation. These phrases have been used in literature and speech to convey simplicity and effortlessness. Now, let's see how to use piece of pie in everyday sentences. You might hear it in contexts like, "Don't worry about the test, it's a piece of pie. Setting up the computer was a piece of pie. I thought it would be hard to make these cookies, but it was actually a piece of pie." A common mistake learners make is using piece of pie when the task is actually difficult. Remember, this phrase should only be used when something is very easy. I hope you've enjoyed learning about the phrase, piece of pie. Remember, language learning is not always a piece of pie, but with practice, it can become easier every day. Thank you for watching, and see you next time for more English language tips.